now I'm going to take a 22mm socket, take these lug nuts off. I'm going to take this wheel off. Just going to spray this down with some rust penetrant. The bolts and nuts are a little rusty. I'm just going to use a 19mm wrench to hold the stud from spinning, and then an 18mm socket to take the nut off. And then use an 18mm wrench on the nut and 18mm socket on the bolt. Take the bolt out. Just slide it out and use a pry bar. Just try to slide it out. There you go. All right, slide the new link in position. Use a rubber mallet, tap it in place, or dead blow hammer. And slide the bolt through. Get the nut on. And get the nut started down below as well. Now I'm going to tighten this bolt to 48 foot-pounds. And I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on the stud and tighten this nut to 48 foot-pounds. Take the wheel, put the wheel back on. Put the lug nuts back on. Now I'm going to tighten these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern or star pattern so that it tightens the wheel down evenly. All right, and I'll just go around again, double check. Good.